where it is, and also it measures the distance between the objects. So let us discuss this smart traffic management system in design thinking phase. Okay, so let us start introduction. So you can introduce.
Okay, so hi everyone. First, let's talk about what is dating. So dating is design thinking, and it's mainly used in businesses and startups to analyze, when you have an idea and you want to form it into a product, you use design thinking to see, to shape your idea in a perfect way. So this design thinking has 5 phases mainly. First, the empathize. So in empathize, you connect with the people, you connect with your clients, you connect with who you are serving, who you want to make a product for, and you get the pain points from them. So after getting the crucial pain points from them, you have to circle the main pain point, which is the main pain point you are going to solve, or which is the main problem they are all facing. So that is the define phase. Then after that, you will create a solution for that. That's the ideal phase. Then you will test out this, make it as a product, from this idea into a product, that is prototype, and then test it out, get the feedbacks, and then further refine out. That's the test phase. So this is how design thinking works. Now first, let's take our own idea, this problem into similar phases. So starting with the empathy phase, the main problem we are facing here is traffic congestion. So if you take our Bangalore city, in this Bangalore city in the morning, I think around from 8 o'clock, if you come to our college, that place is heavily crowded. We all know that. When you want to take the ride to a college, near the arch, it's always very crowded because there's no traffic management system there. Or even take city roads over either Sarnambati or Tudilur, all the places. In all those places, there is no proper traffic management system, no proper traffic lights. Even if a traffic light is there is the timing is very basic. It's like always 30 seconds. Whether traffic is there or traffic is not there, it's always 30 seconds. And that causes many problems like stress, fuel consumption, air pollution, all those things. So we want something that is not very precise, but something that is very intelligent and keeps changing smartly. So for that we use soft computing. Usually in our normal computing, what we do is we will train the program to be very precise and to be very exact. So if you're training a traffic light system, you will just make it as wait for 30 seconds, then make it green light. Then again wait for 10 seconds, make it red light again, like that. So instead of doing something like that, we can use the advantage of artificial intelligence and all those technologies to make some modernized traffic systems or traffic lights that will automatically change the timings according to the traffic or according to the times. Maybe if it's like morning 6 to 8, it will be 10 seconds so that traffic can keep going smoothly. And if it's huge traffic, it will change accordingly like that. So that's where soft computing comes in. Now I think we can do this.
Okay, so coming to the define part, let me explain the problem more clearly. For example, we can take a point where 4 roads meet together. So a signal is there in middle, and let's take one road is fully congested with multiple cars, and another road is free and going smoothly. Despite the congestion and freeness, the signal always gives the same amount of time for every road. So that causes huge problem because people who are moving fast and needs to go for work, and it takes time because even though their road in front of them is free, they can't pass because of the traffic signals. So because of this, even accidents may occur because people, as soon as the green signal turns on, people start to move quickly, and there's not enough time for the people who are coming to stop. So this might cause accidents, and also lots of pollution because the vehicles are on for a lot of time. And for this problem, we need more management of this place. So we can go to the solution part.
So in soft computing, we have 3 techniques to solve this challenge. The first one is fuzzy logic, and second one is artificial neural networks, and third one is genetic algorithm. In fuzzy logic, instead of saying the traffic is heavy, the traffic is low, it says it gives us an option like low, medium, high, and very high. By using these options, the system predicts whenever and how long should the signal to be green. And the second one is artificial neural networks. It works like Ashwin said. It calculates the peak period or free time and works according to that. So these are the solutions that makes the system to solve this challenge.
So as you told, the artificial neural network, it was like our human brain, right? So maybe it follows the principles, whatever, it follows our human intelligence, whatever we do like that. And in case of fuzzy logic, the value ranges from 0 to 1, and then it gives a probability and it will change accordingly. Okay, next.
So, on analyzing the problem statement, what Ashwin said, and the definition, what Bharatwaj said, and the solution, what he proposed, on analyzing everything, what we come to know is the traffic management system using soft computing can improve the overall traffic days in a well manner. Where on an ideal state of a vehicle in a traffic signal could cause various kind of pollutions where carbon dioxide gets mixed up with the oxygen what we breathe. So this could be balanced a bit, as well as ambulances and other emergency vehicles. They get the first priority, so they could get their way to move on, and many lives could be saved. So this could be one of the things. As well as in our day-to-day lives, even we get pissed off for standing in traffic for a long duration. But each and every signal has the same quantity of time, which is 120 seconds. Instead of waiting for the 120 seconds, using the sensors, it can analyze the number of the count of vehicles which stands on the each and every side. So by analyzing such kind of vehicle numbers, we can prioritize the side which has more count, so that the traffic can be reduced a lot. As well as nowadays, policies they could monitor the road condition, and this could be taken out for the repairment of the roads. So this could improve the problem statement what we are facing right now using soft computing. That's it.
As we know, the soft computing it handles the traffic management system very well. Like due to in case any ambulance comes, it will adjust the traffic signals. Okay, so this concept is implemented using the soft computing. Yes.
Yeah, to conclude our design thinking idea, so each and every one we brought out new idea and solutions. So just a simple one solution, which is the smart traffic system, solves a multiple solutions. Like for example, fuel is saved. The second one is the pollution. So when cars or buses stand for a long time, there's pollution being made, right? So that one gets reduced. Then the third thing is emergency vehicles get free of wear, so they move on. So we see there are three benefits from just doing one solution, which is the smart traffic system. So by using soft computing's AI logic, which is the fuzzy logic and the ANN, so we conclude that it solves the society's problem. Yeah, right. So by solving this one, we get to know and solve other problems also. So that's it. Thank you.
So finally, in soft computing, so it handles the traffic management system very well. It's nothing but it handles the traffic, it adapts to the changes whatever happens in the traffic. So for as we discussed, I hope we got some idea regarding this. Thank you.